The success of our digital programs hinges on empowering diverse teams of product analysts, developers, and designers. Our teams need to build background quickly, create leading tech strategies rooted in experimentation, self-manage the build in small increments, and communicate the progress proactively and often. Creating a culture that emphasizes these principles where every person is working in lockstep is core to how we drive outsized impact. Our approach goes beyond traditional mentoring or training. It's about creating a common language and way of delivering that empowers individuals to reach their full potential. Our coaches focus on building success at the individual level through continuous dialogue, habit building, and training. The result is a cultural standard that our entire organization lives by. By empowering a holistic mindset, our coaches usher in multidimensional success, developer growth, company growth, and client delight. This approach allows us to deliver exceptional value while continually evolving our team's capabilities.